Hello dear friends, how are you? As you are aware, I am visiting most of the countries regularly to see our products availability and to find out different avenues, different supermarkets for introduction of our products, including new products, foam-based cream, Narayani cream and other products to the supermarket. Dear friends, I'll tell you experience about Dubai today. So in Dubai, this is one of the developed countries and these people have miraculously progressed. Means once upon a time it was considered as a desert city or desert island. But there are very big malls developed and these people, for Dubai there is a different king, for Abu Dhabi king is different, for Sharjah king is different and like that. So they have very disciplined traffic rules and police is so much strict that if any boy is troubling any girl and he immediately dials particular number and she complains to the police, then policeman will immediately come and arrest the person. I have tremendous respect for these Arabic people who are regular user of our products, and every year we export 20 containers to Dubai. And hello dear all, myself Sanju Pendarkar, Director of Vico Laboratories. With my 45 years of experience in the field of business management, I am coming up with an online course to guide those individuals who want to become entrepreneur and successful businessman. You can register for the online course through the link given in the description. Thank you very much. The most liked product by them is turmeric cream, toothpaste and Vico Narayani cream, as well as foam-based cream. So there is disciplined traffic. Even if you go to a particular island or a beach, it's clean absolutely. Shipments are coming regularly. They are doing uninterrupted services and rules and regulations are very stringent. Mall of Emirates, Dubai Mall, Carrefour and there are Nesto supermarkets. There are so many supermarkets which are run there and lot many people visit there. It's worth spending a day in the supermarket. And one of the amazing things I saw in Dubai is its desert safari. So it's a wonderful experience. They pick you up from your hotel or place where you stay. They will take in a special van and that van has a very big size tires. They rotate you in 360 degrees in desert. You don't understand how this 360 degrees they take turn. Some people feel nausea and vomiting, but we were very happy about the overall scenario. They took us to belly dance after the desert safari and there was a dinner and they dropped us to hotel. Dear friends, please give me your valuable feedback about whether you like the video, whether you like the content, or how do you feel, whether any additions are to be done. And do write to me on my YouTube channel and blog and I'll answer all your questions. Till that time, bye bye and take care.